go. Come on. Nope, there's nobody in there. Come on. There we go. Nope, there's nobody in there. Oh, I think there's somebody in Karen's office. I think there is. Is there somebody in Karen's office? Oh, yes, there's somebody in Karen's office.
Hey, handsome.
You going? Go ahead. Go say hi. Go say hi to Karen. That's a good boy. Oh, maybe he figures he saw you already, so.
Okay. I smell familiar.
Come on, let's go.
Bye, Jackson.
Come on, Bub. There's nobody in there. That's a consult group room. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Come on, let's see if Brenda's here. Come here, let's see if Brenda's here. I think Brenda is here.